This comprehensive toolant impact magnetic nut driver set covers a wide range of metric and imperial sizes, so one compact kit handles most fastening tasks in the shop or on the job site. The bits are designed for impact tools and include deep nut drivers, socket adapters, a wing nut driver, and an extension, making the set genuinely versatile for automotive, construction, and household work. Compared with many competing kits, the thicker walls on these drivers give them a reassuringly solid feel and help them stand up to heavy use without rounding off fasteners. The magnetic tips are strong enough to hold screws and nuts securely in place, which is especially helpful when working overhead or in tight spaces where dropped hardware is a headache. Users who work on everything from metal roofing and wooden structures to appliance installation will appreciate how this single set replaces several separate driver collections. Overall, the Toolant Impact magnetic nut driver set feels like a thoughtfully engineered, durable choice for anyone who wants reliable performance from their impact driver accessories.